guys, the girl may sign us in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What's up, everybody? Say hi to the vlog. Do your intro. It's your channel.
Yeah. What's up, guys? The boy Santa's coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we're there with another Sunday.
Banger. Boinkum.
Wagwan. No.
Oh! No? Okay.
You're afraid.
Alright, guys. So we're vlogging on a Sunday night to show you guys.
Bruh. お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Alright, we're back. So we're vlogging on a Sunday night to show you guys the blood moon tonight. It will be appearing by about 10:30, I believe. I'm sorry, guys, for holding the camera like this. I'm fixing back my phone, that baby sign I smash up. So we're gonna be vlogging the blood moon. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yes, I'm coming. Say hi. Oh, I'm sorry, guys, don't say that. Come, say hi. Okay, guys, so we'll be vlogging the blood moon later on tonight. They said it will be appearing by about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, so we'll be outside all night.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Looking out for that.
No.
The first time, I think it's only one time I ever saw Eclipse. One time. This idiot. Only one time, I think. You fool. I talked about the moon. Anyways, yeah, one time when I was little, I think I did gotta come.
Bruh.
So,
Mom, slam on the brakes.
So, yeah. Yeah, so basically tonight's vlog will be named, what would it be named, babe? Like Eclipse or something like that? Babe? Anyways, guys, journey with we will soon check in back when we sit down on the back porch out there.
Watch moon.
Oh!
Stop it. Get some help.
So yo, vlog world. Miss Sinus asked me if Mars dep on the moon.
Bruh.
Me say
Mars on the moon, you dumb. Me say for Mars that.
yeah, man, I'm Mars. I'm Mars. You buy jeans and them things and clothes. But me tell her, say no, a moon pan stick.
Oh!
A moon pan stick on a Mars. A moon pan stick, yeah? You can lock it off, you know. Yo,
Jupiter?
no, man. Say Alexa. Say Alexa.
Which planet?
Listen to me now, man. Say Alexa.
Alexa, off.
Lock off moon.
Abunda la caca.
Say Alexa, lock off moon.
Alexa, look up.
Damn, holy idiot. You vlogger. Me I send him back a country.
You chat too much.
So, mommy sign us something not right.
Yeah. Hi guys. So we're outside waiting on the moon. Yeah, it kinda actually like a little bit half covered. You can still see it? The moon? Yeah. Alright, so let me see if I can get a little Sneak peek. I'm sorry. They're saying us, everybody. Say hi. Say
I
hi.
can't see nothing, right? Because it's
Of
night.
course I can see you. Let's see if we can see it, guys. Well, it's not really... I can't really see it yet. Yeah. Well, it's actually clear. But, yeah, people.
Yeah, man, the moon I go do. That's why it a cover up, so, you know?
What?
The moon I go do. So, you know, cover up, you know?
Oh shit, it actually halfway covered.
Yeah, you just say,
And
wait, just I go do.
wait, but they can't even see it.
You zoom it.
I did, but
Give me a
it's
400.
halfway covered, but it's not.
500.
You guys
Yeah, man,
can't
the moon
see
I
it.
do. It a go part me, you know? Yeah, man. Probably mother saying him go shop, you know, so, man.
What?
My mother send him go shop, so I cut out a little bit.
So like in the daytime when you see the
no, solar eclipse if you look on that.
oh, that's a solar eclipse. Okay, when the sun passing over when the moon passing over the sun.
I don't fully remember, but it amplified so much. Yeah, it's best to put down a pan on the ground, fill it with water and look up. If you look directly in that, you're blind.
I think it's
blind.
the moon passing over the sun. But yeah, it's my second time seeing what you call this?
Didn't you just call it blood moon eclipse?
Blood moon or whatever. I country I come from. Sorry guys.
Oh, me know what the moon depending.
But see, it's not really. You see, they can't even see it properly. But sorry. Anyways, you ever experience a solar eclipse?
Yeah.
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 Where were you?
I wasn't here. That when I go high school. I had to put down the pan. With the water in it and look up.
Was it a Sunday? Because I think it was probably the
I
same.
don't remember which day.
Oh, okay.
That day did it. It does hot.
It was hot?
Yeah.
I never experienced one. I only experienced the blood moon.
Very dangerous.
I only experienced the blood moon.
Can you imagine you drive here, just
One
look
night
up.
late, me and mommy outside and we just stand up and look up. We neck tired and we say, alright then, time to go to bed. Yeah.
Solar eclipse on dangerous one, you know?
So if it change guys, then we'll definitely try again to show you guys. You go get ready?
I don't know. Make me see. Get around red. Cornbread. Yeah, nice. Yo, out here hot God, no, I'll do me take off my shirt, Father God. Jesus Christ.
It's not hot. Me don't know what day you're sick.
No, I'm not. Hot.
Anyways, guys, we'll be back. Guys, it turned red. Wait a minute. Oh no, I can't see it. It's gone. Alright, guys, see it there? Yeah. Yeah. What do you think about the blood moon?
Huh? One blood.
Okay. So Jupiter cut it and it start bleed.
We're not up that my foolishness about Jupiter cut it. Guys.
If you ever do pee, Jesus
All right.
God.
Oh! Right. Yes,
You're
Mama
blocky.
Casper. Yeah, man. Yes, Mama
You chat
Casper.
too much.
Yeah.
You're blocky, dog.
Yeah, man. All right.
Oh, ugly.
Yeah, man,
Hold on, make we angle it from that way, yeah?
No, 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 no.
No, so I can't see you same way.
No.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
We'll be right back.
Me link up my dog, them bunny background. Me sell up a strap, I'm a fire some. Boy, I feel. What?